So next is physical properties of these metals and non-metals. So first of all, we need to going in the case of tabular form of difference of these two, because that is very good to understand. So first of all, metal is here generally solid except mercury present in liquid form. So guys, all the metals basically we can say generally word is used here. Generally मतलब most of the cases में metals will be solid. Metals क्या रहेंगी? Solid, except one metal is here which is liquid, that is mercury. Then non-metal. Non-metal can be solid, liquid or gases. For example, carbon is solid, bromine is liquid and hydrogen is gas. So non-metal are found in all the three forms, solid as well as liquid as well as gas. Carbon is solid, bromine is the only non-metal which is liquid, and gases में तो बहुत हैं, जैसे हमारा helium, neon, all are the gases. But H2 is very common, which is gas. Then ductile, malleable, drawn into wire. Ductile means drawn into wire. So metals are ductile. We can draw them into wires. Electrical appliances में use करते हैं metals की wires हम, तो क्यों metals can be used? Because they are ductile. Then malleable, written into sheet. For example, aluminium foil we use to wrap our food. Because उसमें food क्या होता है? ठंडा नहीं होता, ठंडा even होएगा but soft रहेगा. Although, so because metal are conductor of heat, तो वो उसको क्या करके रखती है एल्यूमिनियम फॉइल? उसको हीटिंग इफेक्ट देके रखती है. दैट इज द property of the metal. They can be malleable and they can be ductile, but non-metals are non-ductile and non-malleables. They are not going to be converted into wires and converted into sheets. Then sonorous. Sonorous means metals are sonorous. They can produce sound. For example, electric bell in your schools and colleges you can see. Yeah, तो big factories or industries you can see the electric hooters which are producing a very high frequency of the sound. तो क्या केस है उस केस में? वाई दैट इज सो? बिकॉज दैट इज द मेटल इज यूज्ड इन दैट पर्टिकुलर रिंग व्हेन दैट इज गोइंग टू बी हैमर्ड विद एनी ऑब्जेक्ट. तो अगर उसको क्या करेगा, हिट करा जा रहा है, दैट इज गोइंग टू प्रोड्यूस वेरी हाई पिच साउंड. दैट्स व्हाई मेटल्स आर यूज्ड इन द इलेक्ट्रिक बेल्स, बिकॉज दे आर सोनरस. बट नॉन मेटल्स आर नॉन सोनरस. देन लस्ट्रस. लस्ट्रस मीन्स चमकीला, शाइनीनेस होना. तो ऑल मेटल्स फॉर एग्जाम्पल गोल्ड, सिल्वर, ऑल हैविंग लस्टर, दे हैव नेचुरल शाइन. बट non-metals are what? Non-lustrous. They are not going to be show any shiny character except iodine. So the exception part which is given over here guys, that is very very important because question will be asked from exception. कोई चीज थोड़ी नॉर्मल से अलग है, उसी पे ही क्वेश्चन बनता है. तो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन अभी तक जो पूछा जाता था, give the name of the non-metal which is liquid at room temperature. So that is mercury. थर्मामीटर में यूज होता है. But nowadays this is very common. मेटल का सबको पता है, but non-metal is very important. कि which non-metal is liquid at room temperature? That is bromine. So we need to be aware about this exception part. Now we have done that कि metals are lustrous, shinier हैं, but non-metals are non-lustrous, but iodine is lustrous. So question will be asked, which non-metal is lustrous? So that is iodine. Fine. High melting point except cesium and gallium. Every metal is having high melting point, but except cesium and gallium. So question will be asked, which metal is not having high melting point or having low melting point? That is cesium and gallium. Another is lower melting point than metals. So non-metals are having melting and boiling point but lower than that of metal. Next is metals के केस में 6 point is generally good conductor of heat and electricity except lead and mercury. So although all the metals are good conductor, generally good, 90% is good, but except lead and mercury. Symbol of lead is Pb, that is written over there, and symbol of mercury is Hg. Pb and Hg is written over there, it means Pb is lead and Hg is mercury. Then in case of non-metals are bad conductor of heat and electricity except graphite, which is a form of carbon. So non-metal which is the kind of the conductor, कौन सा conductor है non-metals में? That is carbon, form of carbon, that is diamond and graphite. So basically graphite. Fine. So we are taking graphite as a bad conductor of heat and electricity. Graphite जो है that is not going to conduct electricity through it. Fine. So sorry, not except graphite. Graphite is क्या है? Graphite करेगा उसको collect. So next is point number 6, in case of the difference of metals and non-metals. So generally metals are good conductor of heat and electricity except lead and mercury. The symbol of lead is Pb, that is written over there, and Hg is of mercury. So all the metals generally are good conductor, but except mercury and lead, they are not that much of the good conductors. Fine. Then bad conductor of non-metals are bad conductor of heat and electricity except graphite. All the non-metal, although bad conductors, they are not going to conduct electricity except graphite, that can conduct, that is the form of carbon. Another is high density except sodium and carbon. All the metals are having high density except sodium and potassium. Density means they are dense, thick. Then another one is non-metals, low densities except diamond form of carbon. So density in case of non-metal is low, but in case of diamond it is high. Then metals are reactive and non-metals are not very reactive, they are least reactive. Then in case of metals, ionic bonding is present, and in case of non-metal, covalent or hydrogen bonding is present. So we need to know about all these things, but how these are coming into existence, that you guys will going to understand in your higher classes. But till now the points are very, very important to understand for the difference between the physical properties of metals and non-metals. Fine.